Hi, my name is Shiraz Balolia and I'm the CEO and owner of South Bend Lathe Company and Grizzly Industrial Inc. As you know, South Bend Lathe Company has been in business since 1906. It's an American icon and a great machinery brand. Here we have a wonderful set of scaled replicas of all the machines that they used to carry. And salesmen would go into a plant with these machines and planning board and lay out a shop for customers. At times they would even ship this box to a company so that they could do the layout themselves. There are all instructions in here. Customers could then go in and lay out their shop exactly the way they wanted it and then place their order for machinery. As far as I know, this is the only set in existence, and it is just an incredible piece of history.